Alright guys, so I just got back from running around all day long and I'm so exhausted. But I really just wanted to quickly talk about some of the stuff that I got. I just picked up a couple home, kind of like kitchen items, and I'm not even done yet. But I've been around at the gym and everything and cleaning all day and just organizing and getting rid of stuff. I just picked this stuff up from the store for my kitchen, but I just went through and got rid of a bunch of other stuff. So right now that's our old crock pot, some old boxes. That's where I used to have my K-cups on that stand, some old dishes, and my old Keurig. But I picked up a white Keurig because I've been dying for a white Keurig because of Chow Bella XO, or however you, or I don't even know how to say it. But anyway, she has a white Keurig and I seriously die for that Keurig. This is actually the newest one. This is called the K Select. And it actually is a matte white instead of like a glossy, which I was like, that'd be nice. But I actually picked up two is these like clear coffee mugs, which everyone is like having on Instagram and stuff, and I freaking love it for like iced coffee or like whipped cream and stuff, make them look all fancy. How cute is that? Next I have this bowl. I got this Be Kind bowl from Marshall's. It was super cute. It was only like $6, which is kind of expensive only, but this next thing I got from Marshall's is this Be Strong cup, and this was $6 at Marshall's also. You guys, I spent a lot of money. That's a lot of money for a cup. Did I really? Oh, okay. Don't do that. That's really expensive for a cup. These were actually from Walmart. These were only like a couple bucks. I think they were only like $2 or $3. Next I got this tea container. It was only $2, you guys. $2. There was a little chip in it, which I don't think you can barely even see that. So I picked it up, and then I got this coffee one. And this was only $6. This was on clearance. So I'm really excited for that. This matches my kitchen pretty well. So I have this guy. This is from Walmart. This was only like $7 or $8. I really wanted to get this to put like lemons and cucumbers and stuff and just have fresh water throughout the house. I might keep this in the fridge, but when I'm home I'm going to keep it out on the counter and just ready to like put in a cup, I guess. So I did pick up like some lemons, and I have cucumber in the fridge and stuff, so that's gonna be nice. But just an overview of some of those. I got these, like I said, were from Walmart. This was Marshall's, and those two were from Marshall's, and then that one back there is from Walmart also. This Keurig was actually from Best Buy. It was actually only $100, and when I bought it, they gave me a $30 gift card to Best Buy for buying the Keurig, so that's actually really cool, because I only spent pretty much $70 on it then, so that's really nice. And then that Pioneer Woman crock pot, I think this is like $30 to $40, something like that, but we desperately needed a new crock pot. This crock pot was looking a little sad there. It's a little beat up, but so what I'm going to do then is just going to go ahead and organize and get this stuff together and put it where I need it. So if you guys want to watch a little bit on how to organize with me, then keep watching, you guys. Alright guys, so to start cleaning, I just started to take off these stickers of the canisters I bought and just really started to organize all my drink stuff. So all my K-cups I put in my coffee canister, and then all my tea bags I put in this tea canister. I also put some of these little Crystal Light water flavorings, and then I'm going to go ahead and set up my Keurig. This is it all set up, but I didn't know it actually comes with a water filter. So you take this off, and then you put this in there like that. And then it stays like that, and then when you put it in here, you put it on that little black thing, just like that. It is the crock pot all put together. Super cute. I've wanted this crock pot for a long time now, but Yeah, a lot better. So I think I like how this is looking so far right here. I think I may get like a coffee sign, some type of wording, and put it on the back there. Other than that, I don't know what else I would like to put. I thought about maybe like a couple like tiny straws to like stir my coffee and have that out here or something. I don't know. Like I said, if you guys have any ideas, please do not forget to shout them out down in the comments down below. Other than that, that is pretty much it for reorganizing right here and cleaning right here. Go ahead and make some of this water. I might go ahead and throw some ice in here really quick. Some cucumber and some lemons in here. I'm going to put half of this cucumber, maybe. I'm going to use probably like that much. And set this water in the fridge. I'm actually gonna just store it right here. It does not fit in the bottom of my fridge and I'm so sad, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here for now. The store went ahead and picked up some mulch and some flowers, and we're going to rip this up, put down like that black netting back there, put the mulch down, dig up for flowers and all that fun stuff. So I'll probably go ahead and tune you guys in on that tomorrow.
When you're low and your knees can't rise, you feel helpless and you're looking to the sky. Some people would say to accept defeat.
Huh?
Put that in there?
No, what is it? No.
You didn't put that in.
No, I did not. The tree is all done. Got our mulch, our new flowers. I got some new lights, which are super cute. Heck yes. And I did the, what is it called? Perennials. So they come back every year. Look really good. Everything out here done. We have all the front, then it goes all the way to the back to down there. It's looking really good, you guys. This truck's gonna interrupt my video. Rude. I just got done watering all the plants, and now all that's left is taking these bags back and get rid of those, but all the hard work is done and I'm so excited.
Nails done, I'm getting a different shape. I'm trying to go a little bit more natural looking, hopefully, and like shape instead of the puffin. So I'm a lot shorter, but we're getting some ice cream. I got cookies. I really needed some foundation. Another one of the L'Oreal True Match Lumi, and in a darker shade because I am getting up to me and say hi. But I'm gonna be making.
Done with all that. Let me turn this video off. Watching me some Ciao Bella XL. Okay, so we just got done doing all of that yard work. I just took a shower, and I know I look rough, but I just threw my hair up in this hat and a little bun. Just got some lounge clothes on, and I'm about to eat. I have this delicious plate here. I made some avocado toast with some eggs and then a little bit of strawberries. So I'm gonna chat on this really quick, and I'm probably gonna end this video here just because I'm pretty much done with stuff I have to do with cleaning and stuff and organizing, and so I'm pretty much done now, and I'm just going to see you guys in my next video. Bye!